viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen. Today we are going to also discuss about Binance Smart Chain Wallet, and in this video we are going to add new token in our Binance Smart Chain Wallet. So how can I add? This is so simple and easy. In this video we are going to add XRP token or Ripple token in Binance Wallet. So simple is that. Please must watch this video till end. This video is going to be very informative for you. But first of all, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is CryptoWallsInfo, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So you know we have already add a Litecoin USDT in our Binance Smart Chain Wallet, but today we are going to add XRP or Ripple coin add on this wallet. So how can I do? Simple is that first of all you open CoinMarketCap and we need to just find the contact address, then we can easily add any token in Binance Smart Chain Wallet. You can see here the CoinMarketCap is going to open in front of me, and if we check the Bitcoin price is $24,000 almost, and Ripple price is $800 plus. So if we discuss about XRP, so XRP this time rank is 7 number. You can see here 7 number, and price is 37 cent only, 0.37 cent. So before going to add this token, I just simply click on it. Then the new page open in front of me. You can see here they shown the price here 37 cent, and you can also get the all information about XRP. If I click the all, so price graph will be shown in front of you, means all-time high and all-time low. 2017 the XRP price is 0.006 cent, 0.006, at all-time high almost $3 plus, but today price is 37 cent. So I'm not giving to any financial advice. It's depend on you. If you want to buy this coin, so you can use these exchanges: Binance, FTX, Bitstamp, KuCoin. It's only depend on you. And if you need to visit this official website, so you can see here there is official website xrpl.org. This is the official website of XRP, where you can get more information about XRP token. You can see here about community, powered utility, start building, and high performance, low cost fee. Means you are going to transactions, so will charge low cost, decentralized exchanges, peer-to-peer multi-currency exchanges, payment channel, tokens. You can see here there is big information available if you need to get about XRP. Simple open this official website. You can also use their own wallet. I don't know where the link of wallets maybe is available here, about documents or community area. So I will discuss about later. Download the official wallet, but not there is shown any link, because I think the website interface is changed. So now we are going to add XRP wallet address in Binance Smart Chain Wallet. You can see here there is shown Binance Smart Chain Wallet. Simple click on it. Then the new page open in front of you, means Binance Scan. You can see here BinancesCan.com. This is the official website where you can find the contract address of XRP or any other token or coin. So they shown the contract address. You can see here they shown the contract address. Simple is that, just simple copy contract address, open your wallet address, Binance Smart Chain wallet. Simple click on that icon which is you have installed it to your system. Now wallet is going to open. Simple enter password here like me, and click on unlock. Now the main interface is open front of me, and you can see here I have already add a LTC XRP, and today we are going to add Ripple. Okay, so what will you do if you need to add in your main interface? Simple click on plus button. But before going to add this token, you must cross check you have selected Binance Smart Chain network. If you have selected Ethereum, so kindly change your network from this option. Okay, so after that, simple click on custom assets, and you click on plus button, and simple paste here your contract address, which is we have copied from BinancesCan.com. You know, if your contract address and your network is correct, then the all information will be shown on this tab. Otherwise, you will shown error here. So going to paste here my contract address of XRP. Now here you can see here I have paste contract address. So you can see here there is shown all information, patch Binance patch XRP token and decimal 18, and balance is 0. You know, I have not any balance, so I'm just giving two information about how to add XRP wallet address in your Binance Smart Chain wallet. Simple is that you just simple click on add assets option. You can see here there is shown add assets. So now XRP wallet address is going to add in our Binance Smart Chain wallet. So going to cross check, you can see here viewers, we have successfully add XRP coin wallet address in on Binance Smart Chain wallet. You can easily use on this wallet. You must take the backup of your 12 faces of your wallet, and let's suppose you want to deposit on XRP. Simple click on this on it, and simple click on receive button. You can see here they shown the receive button, and now the wallet address will be shown front of you. This is your wallet address. You just simple copy your wallet address and send that person who want to send the money, or you can copy wallet address and paste that exchange where you want to send the money in this wallet. But before going to send the money, you must cross check you have select the BIP20 network. Please select the BIP20 network, otherwise your fund will be lost. Keep in your mind, okay, because we have this wallet address add in Binance Smart Chain, so that we will use BIP20 network, not Ethereum, not any other network. Okay viewers, so viewers, I hope you properly understand how can you add XRP wallet address in your Binance Smart Chain wallet. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is CryptoWalletsInfo, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So let's meet with you in new video. Bye bye.